Hello and welcome to my quarantine kitchen. In today's episode, I would like to show you how to make a peanut butter and banana smoothie. The ingredients for a peanut butter smoothie are quite simple. We have bananas, peanut butter, long life milk. We've got a plain double cream yogurt, not the flavored kind. The plain is perfect. We've got honey to taste, and we have some ice cubes. So we're going to put the smoothie together now. For that, you're going to need a blender. I've chopped up the bananas. We're going to add that into the blender. There's 2 bananas in there. Add a cup of milk. Half a cup of yogurt. You can add a cup of yogurt if you want a thicker smoothie. And then 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And honey to taste. Now we're going to bring all of these ingredients together. And now I'm going to add a few of the ice cubes in. And we're going to give this a quick blitz as well. And that's your peanut butter smoothie done in no time. Enjoy.